Okay, good morning to everyone. So we will start the session. Okay, question number 3, F1, I will solve it because Pratishta is having the doubt in that question. Okay, Pratishta, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
बोलो क्या डाउट है आपको यहाँ पे? आंसर नहीं मैच हो रहा होगा आपका. LHS इज इक्वल टू
हाँ
RHS.
सर.
ओके,
हाँ सर, आंसर नहीं मैच हो रहा.
तो आपका कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक होगा, नथिंग एल्स. ओके, LHS इज इक्वल टू -1/3 प्लस 4/9 प्लस -8/13. बोलो क्या करना पड़ेगा नेक्स्ट स्टेप?
LCM
ओके, सो व्हाट इज द LCM ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर्स?
117.
117. इज इट सो? ओके, 117. सो -1/3 प्लस, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या होगा फिर? 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 13
13/9 multiplied by 13
और यहाँ पे प्लस
plus -8 multiplied by 9/13 multiplied by 9.
ओके. व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप देन?
Then we will do the multiplication. So plus 1/3 plus in bracket 13 fours are 52/117 plus -72/117
Okay, so what this bracket will become then?
-1/3 plus 52 minus 72 upon
Upon,
117.
so what it comes?
It comes 20/117.
-20/117.
Yes, sir. -20/117.
Next.
So, sir, we will again take LCM.
So what is the LCM of 117 and 3?
351.
51 threes are. Is it so? I don't think so. What is the LCM of 117 and 3? LCM is 117 only. Okay. LCM is what? 117. So ये -1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 39 आ जाएगा. और यहाँ पे 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 39
39.
प्लस -20 divided by 117 will be as it is. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next step, what it will become then? -39.
-39/117 plus -20/117.
So what is the answer of numerator then?
So, sir, plus minus gets minus.
-59/117. तो ये हमारा LHS आ गया. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now similarly do the RHS. So what is RHS? -1/3
1/3
plus
plus
4/9 in one bracket and plus -8/13.
-8/13.
So what is the LCM of denominators of bracket?
Sir, it's 9.
Correct. It is 9. Okay. So what it will come then? -1 into
So
3 divided by 3 into 3 plus 4/9 will be as it is. Okay.
plus
Plus,
-8/13.
next what it will come? -3/9 plus 4 upon 9.
Plus 4 upon 9.
Plus
So 1
minus.
upon 9.
Okay, it will come 1 upon 9. Next,
Sir, again LCM.
of what?
9 and 13.
So what is the LCM?
The LCM is 117.
Okay, it is 117. Next,
1 upon 9 multiplied by 13
1 upon 9 multiplied by 13. तो यहाँ पे भी 13 आ जाएगा. Plus
plus minus 8 upon 13 multiplied by 9.
so what it will come? 13 upon 117. And this will come minus 72 upon 1.
Upon 117.
So what is the final answer then?
Minus
Minus.
59 upon 117.
You have done the calculation mistake. That's why you got the wrong answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. In LHS, I did mistake.
Okay. See the seventh question now. Mute yourself. Okay. What is seventh question? Yes, Om. What is your doubt?
Sir, my question number 3, question number 3, G1 is not matching, sir. Answer.
G1. Again, you have done the same calculation mistake. Okay. We'll see that also. Question number 3, G1. It was better that I would have solved it here only instead of giving you the homework. Okay. So LHS will be equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 7 upon 8 plus minus 3 by 5. Okay. Minus 2 by 3 will be as it is. यहाँ पे ये दोनों का LCM आ जाएगा. 8 5 is 40. Okay. So 7 into 5 divided by 8 into 5 plus minus 3 into 8 divided by 5 into 8. Okay, I am doing it directly. Huh? You will write each and every step. LCM of denominators and all. You will write each and every step. So this will become 35 upon 40. And this will become minus 24 upon 40. So what is 35 minus 24? What is 35 minus 24? 11 upon 40. Okay. Now again we will take the LCM. So what is the LCM of 3 and 40? What is the LCM of 3 and 40? Yes, Om, what is the LCM of 3 and 40?
Sir, LCM of 120.
Okay, so 2 multiplied by 40. Sorry, minus 2 multiplied by 40.
40 and 3 multiplied by 40.
Next.
Plus 9 multiplied by 3 by 40 multiplied by 3.
ये 9 दिख रहा है क्या आपको? ये
Sir,
9.
11. Sir, I read.
Here you have done the mistake. Is it
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Om? 35
Yes, sir.
minus
Now
35
I will do.
minus 35 minus 24 is 11, not 9. Okay, we will start the next question of this exercise then. Mute yourself, Om. Seventh question was going on, na? Seventh question was going on. Okay, see now what is given in the seventh question. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 14 upon 15. If the first number is minus 3, find the other. Okay. तो यानी दो रैशनल नंबर हैं. ओके. सपोज ये एक रैशनल नंबर है, ये एक रैशनल नंबर है, दोनों का सम बोला है, यानी बीच में साइन प्लस का आएगा. ये दोनों रैशनल नंबर का सम कितना आता है? वो आता है -14/15. तो उसमें से एक नंबर हमको गिवन है, यानी एक बॉक्स में क्या आ जाएगा? -3 आ जाएगा. तो दूसरे बॉक्स में हम लोग x कंसिडर करेंगे. ओके. सो लेट other rational number is equal to x. ओके. और फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर हमारा क्या है? फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर क्वेश्चन में ही दिया है, देखो, इट इज -3. Now what they have said next? Sum of two rational numbers. So what is the sum of two rational numbers? It is equal to -14/15. तो sum of two rational numbers यानी first rational number plus other rational number is equal to -14/15. ओके. तो पहला रैशनल नंबर क्या है हमारा? -3 है प्लस x. इट इज इक्वल टू -14/15. आई हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. तो बाकी सब ये जो है -3, उसको उधर शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो -3 उधर जाने के बाद क्या होगा? -3 उधर RHS में जाने के बाद क्या होगा? -3 RHS में जाने के बाद क्या होगा? +3. ओके. सो ये 3 को मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूँ, 3/1. ओके. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू नेक्स्ट स्टेप? वी विल मेक द डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम. तो डिनोमिनेटर सेम कैसे करते हैं हम लोग? एलसीएम लेके. तो एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर्स क्या आएगा? व्हाट इज द एलसीएम ऑफ 15 and 1? It is 15. Okay. LCM of 15 and 1 is what? It is 15. So what will be the next step then? X is equal to -14 into 1 divided by 15 into 1. Okay. Plus 3 into 5. सॉरी, 3 into 15 आएगा यहाँ पे, और 1 into 15 आएगा, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर 15 करना है हमको. ओके. तो ये हो जाएगा -14/15, और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 45/15. नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू? -14 plus 45/15. हाउ मच इट कम्स? टेल मी द फाइनल आंसर फर्स्ट. टेल मी द फाइनल आंसर. -14 plus 45, how much it comes? 31/15 is the answer. 31/15 is the answer. You will write each and every step while writing in the CW. कोई भी step skip नहीं करोगे आप. You will write each and every step. Okay. Next one. Okay. What should be added to -7/12 to make it 5/48? Okay, Palak. Yes, Palak.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we will write the second number should be x.
Okay, तो पहले फर्स्ट नंबर लिखते हैं ना. फर्स्ट नंबर
first number is equals to minus 7 upon 12.
Minus 7 upon 12. Correct. Second number.
Second rational number is equals to x.
Okay. Second rational number is equal to x.
Then we will write first sum of first number plus second number is equals to 5 upon 48.
Sum of two rational numbers is equal to
Is
5.
equals to 5 upon 48.
So
Then we
first
will write first number plus second number is equals to 5 upon 48.
correct, is equal to 5 upon 48.
Then we will write minus 7 upon 12 plus x is equals to 5 upon 48.
So we have to find the value of x.
Then, yes. So we will write x is equals to 5 upon 48 plus 7 upon 12.
Correct. Plus 7 upon 12.
So
Next.
we will, yes. So we will find the LCM of 48 and 12.
So what is LCM?
48.
Correct. 48 is the LCM. So what we will get?
So x
5.
is equals to 5 upon 48 into 1.
Okay. And here?
Plus 7 upon 12 into 4.
Okay. So 5
then
upon...
we will write 5 upon 48 plus 28 upon 48.
What it comes then?
28 plus 5, 33 upon 48.
So the second number is what?
The second number should be 33 upon 48. That is minus 7 upon 12 plus 33 upon 48 is equals to 5 upon 48.
Correct. Next one.
Charging come.
Simplify. Okay, Akshara. Akshara.
Yes, sir. The question is minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 by 9 minus 7 by... So we will take LCM of all denominators.
So what is the LCM?
18.
Is the LCM. Okay.
Then we will multiply minus 2 in minus 3, minus 2 into 6 and 3 into 6.
Next.
Plus 5 into 2, 9 into 2.
Next.
Minus 7 into 3 and 16 into 3.
6 into 3.
Then minus 12 upon 18 plus 10 upon 18 minus 21 upon 18.
Now we will take common denominator. Next, what we will get?
Sir, I will calculate it.
First tell me what is minus 12 and minus 21.
Sir, the answer is
minus 33.
19.
19 minus 12 and minus, मैंने क्या बोला है? minus 12 and minus 21. The answer is minus 33. Okay. उसमें फिर plus 10 करो तो आंसर आएगा minus 23 divided by 18. This is your answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next one. Okay, Divyal. Divyal will try the next one.
Sir, first of all, we will take the LCM of denominator, that is... Wait a minute, sir.
72. Okay.
72. Sir, 3 upon 8 into 9. Minus 2 upon 9 into 8.
Next.
Plus minus 1 into 2.
Next.
Then 18 upon 72.
18 होता है क्या? 3 9
No, sir, sorry. 27. Minus 16 upon 72 plus minus 2 72.
Plus minus I have
Let them
directly done here. Minus plus into minus is minus.
minus.
Okay. जिनको नहीं
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है वो एक स्टेप बढ़ा के करेंगे. नो प्रॉब्लम.
Sum 9 upon 72.
So 27 minus 16, how much it comes?
It comes out
11. 11 minus 2?
9.
9 upon 72. Is it in the simplest form?
Yes, sir. 9 1 is 9, 9 8 is 72. 1 upon 8.
1 upon 8 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Who will do next one? Okay, Kalash.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, first we'll take LCM.
So what is that?
6 5 LCM would be 30, sir. 30.
Okay, correct. Next.
Sir, now we will do LCM is equal to 30. Then 1 by 6 both by 5 minus 2 by 5 both by 6. And sir, minus 2 by 15 will be by 2.
Okay. Next.
Sir, now we will do the answer 5 by 30 minus 12 by 30.
Now this minus into minus, what it will become? Plus. So 4 by 30.
4 by 30. Sir, we'll take that now 5 minus 12 plus 4 upon common denominator 30.
Okay. So what we will get then?
Sir, 5 minus 12 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 plus 4. Sir, minus sign of the greater number minus 3 by 30.
So it is,
Sir,
is it?
this would be minus 1 by 10.
Minus 1 by 10 is the answer. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay, question number 10. Who will do this question? Okay, Om Jadhav will try this.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we will take LCM of LHS is equal to my bracket minus 8 by 9 minus 11 by 4 bracket close minus 14 by 12.
First tell me what you have understand from the question. First tell me that.
Sir, we have to sir, can I speak in Hindi?
Yes, no problem.
सर हमें पहले इक्वल है क्या देखना है और फिर उसमें अगर इक्वल नहीं हो तो सर हमें वो इक्वल है क्या देखना है.
क्या इक्वल है क्या देखना है हमको?
LHS और RHS.
कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे LHS और RHS तो नहीं है. इक्वल टू का साइन ही नहीं है तो LHS और RHS कहाँ से आएगा यहाँ पे?
सर वी हैव टू सर हमें पेयर को इक्वल करना है. ये इक्वल है क्या?
ये देखो इधर ध्यान दो. ये कॉमा के पहले वाला जो टर्म है, ये वाला टर्म कॉमा के बाद वाले टर्म को इक्वल है या नहीं है वो हमको चेक करना है. ओके, सो हम लोग ये कॉमा के पहले वाले टर्म को फर्स्ट पार्ट ले लेंगे. ओके, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड दिस इज आवर सेकेंड पार्ट. ओम, बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आ रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा शोर आ रहा है आपका.
सर 1 मिनट. यस सर. नाउ
माइनस. आप ट्रैवलिंग में हो क्या?
नो सर.
देन हवा क्यों आ रही है इतनी?
सर LCM is equal to 36
minus 14. Okay, minus 14.
14 by 12. First
ये
we will take LCM of 9 and 4.
ये जो हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट वी आर सॉल्विंग. ओके,
Yes.
सो व्हाट इज द
LCM
एलसीएम?
of 9 and 4 is equal to 36. Sir, 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36. Minus 8 multiplied by 4 and 9 multiplied by 4. Minus 4 multiplied by 9 and my bracket close minus.
Now tell me
Sir,
this
we will take plus
minus into minus, this will become plus 14 upon 12.
plus 14 by 12.
Okay, next.
Sir, minus 36, 32 by 36. Minus 99 by 36.
So what is minus 99 and minus 32?
Sir, minus 131
upon divided
minus
by
131 by 36 plus 14 by 12. We will take LCM. Sir, LCM is equal to Sir, LCM 36
LCM of denominator
is equal to 36.
is equal to 36. Okay,
36.
next.
Minus 31 multiplied by 1 by 36 multiplied by 1 plus 40 14 3 12 12 is equal to minus 131 by 36 plus 42 by 36.
What is the final answer?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, minus 89. Minus 89.
Okay. So this you got for the first part. Now similarly, you will solve the second part also.
Second part.
Okay. और अगर
yes,
second part का value भी इतना ही आता है minus 89 upon 36, so what you will say finally? First part is equal to second part.
Yes, sir. Sir, now second part.
Now here there is no space, so you solve it now. Second part. I will give you some time. Mute yourself.
Yes.
Everyone will solve the second part and tell me what is the answer of second part. Find out the answer of second part. So second part, I am starting it here. Okay. So what is given in the second part now? Minus 8 upon 9 minus in bracket 11 upon 4 minus 14 upon 12. ओके तो ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करेंगे तो ब्रैकेट का एलसीएम क्या आएगा डिनोमिनेटर्स का? इट विल कम 12 ओनली. ओके सो 11 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 minus 14 upon 12. So minus 8 by 9 minus this will come what? 33 by 12 minus 14 by 12. So what is 33 minus 14? 33 minus 14. What is 33 minus 14? Thirty-three minus 14. Okay, 2s are 1s are here, it will come 9, 19 it will come. So 19 divided by 12. Now LCM of 9 and 12. What will be the LCM of 9 and 12? It will be 36. So minus 8 into 4 divided by 9 into 4. Minus 19 into 3 divided by 12 into 3. So minus 32 upon 36 and minus 57 upon 36. So what is minus 32 and minus 57? कितना हो जाएगा वो? Minus 89. Minus 89 upon 36. That means first part is equal to second part. Finally, you will write first part is equal to second part. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. See the last question of this exercise then. Okay, last question. Who will solve it? Okay, Palak, bolo.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we will write the first part.
Which is, this is our first part. Okay.
Yes, up to the comma.
This is our
And this
second
is
part.
the second part. Yes.
So first
Then
part.
we will write first part is equals to
5
upon bracket 5 upon 14 minus 7 upon 9 bracket close minus 3 upon 42.
Okay.
Then we will find the LCM of 14 and 9.
So what is the LCM?
Sir, the LCM is
What is the LCM? This
40
minus into minus, what this will become?
plus minus 7 upon 9. 9 into 14 again.
Okay.
Bracket close. Yes. Minus 3 upon 42.
So 45.
We'll write 45 upon 128 plus 80
70
1
plus.
Sir, it will be 98 upon 128 minus 3 upon 42.
Next.
Then we will add 45 upon 98.
So what it will come?
Sir, it will be 143.
Next.
Minus 3 upon 42. Then the LCM of 128 and 42 we will do.
So what is the LCM?
LCM is 128.
Is it so? 128 is not the LCM. What is double of 128? 256. 256 LCM है क्या? चेक करो. 256 divided by 42 होता है क्या? देखो. 21 ones are. What is remaining? 46.
22.
No, it is not. So what is the LCM?
So we will directly do.
Oh, it is 126. I have done the mistake here. There is a calculation mistake. It will come 126. Okay. So 126 will be the LCM now. 143 divided by 126
minus 3 upon 3 into 3, 42 upon 3.
Okay.
42 into 3.
So what
then 143 upon 126 minus 9 upon 126.
Okay, minus.
So 3 3s are 9.
120. So what it will come?
Then we will write the common denominator. 143 minus 9. That is 134.
So is it
134 upon 126?
Is it in the simplest form?
No, sir. We will do it. Sir, the simplest form will be 7 to 62, 67 upon 60, 63. Yes, 67 upon 63.
Okay, 67 upon 63. Similarly, you will find out the answer of second part. Now we don't have time. So you will find out the answer of second part and compare whether first part is equal to the second part. That is homework to you.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Next Wednesday, you will have the test on second chapter. Next Wednesday, coming Wednesday. That test also
Okay,
will be
sir.
online on
Sir,
RBS app.
RBS?
Yes.